Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, kahapon nga lang, no? Kahapon, dumaan yung birthday ni Justin. And, to tell you honestly, I actually forgot. So, by the way, boss, amo, Justin, belated happy birthday, no? And, I mean, today, we are going to react to Justin's song Surreal, music video. Matagal ko na tong utang no, sa inyo. Nakakalimutan ko palagi. And also, nung time na naalala ko na siya, sabi ko sa sarili ko, mag-birthday na si Justin sa July 7. Doon ko na lang siya gagawin, no? Para, I mean, makes sense, right? Justin's birthday, but I forgot about it. So naalala ko siya ngayon, but yeah, it's better late than never, no? So we're going to react to Surreal. This is the first time that we are going to listen to this. And also, sabi nyo, yung story ng kantang to is kadugtong nung kanta ni Justin na pinainggan natin, yung Kaibigan. So, let's see. Yeah, I mean, yung kantang yun, no, yung Kaibigan, napakagandang kanta. At the same time, very heartbreaking. But tingnan natin kung ganoon din ba dito sa sa Surreal. But without no further ado, man, let's get it. One Z. Okay.
I just wanna live in my imagination, where hatred does not exist. Here the moonlight is brighter than ever, and the stars shine just for us. And your eyes can see everything you and I are imagining. While we walk slowly under the street lights, we hold each other's hands so tight. And I can feel it like it's real, so real. Ta-ta-da-dee-dum, ta-ta-da-dee.
Okay. Alright. So that, come on, man. So that's the play for the word surreal and so real. God damn, man. Okay. I got goosebumps suddenly, no? Na-realize ko. Ulitin natin. Kasi ulitin natin. Kasi, by the way, I know you guys already know this, but pagkakaalam ko, surreal is, it's, parang, meaning ng surreal is, feels like it's a dream, feels like, paano ba explain to? Parang you don't know if it's true, or you don't know if it's real, or if it's a dream. That is surreal, no? And at the same time, pag sabi mong so real, again, S-O and then R-E-A-L, so real, kasi totoong totoo, right? But surreal is para siyang totoo. It's like a dream, but para siyang totoo. So, ang ganda ng wordplay sa it's like, parang sorry to, it's real, so real, diba? Parang surreal. Okay, yeah. It's also, wait natin. God damn, man. Di ako alam kakalata ng wordplay, no? Galing kay Justin, man. Inulit agad sa umpisa, no?
I just wanna live in my imagination.
Yeah, I just live with my I just want to live with my imagination, kasi gusto niyang mabuhay sa imagination na lang niya. Kasi again, it plays on the word, on the title itself, surreal.
I just wanna live in my imagination, where hatred does not exist. Here the moonlight is brighter than ever. The stars shine just for us.
Yeah, so basically, lahat na sinasabi niya dito, lahat ng describe niya is nasa imagination niya. That's why gusto niyang mabuhay sa imagination niya, no? Kasi ganun nga yung nakikita niya. But it feels like it's so real, but it's surreal. Okay.
And your eyes can see
Hindi ako makamove on
everything.
dun. Ang galing, ha?
You and I
Are imagining. Right.
while we walk slowly under the street lights. We hold each other's hands so tight, and I can feel it like it's real, so real.
Let's go. Hey.
Ta-da-dee-dum, ta-ta-da-dee-dum, ta-ta-da-dee-dum. Ta-ta-da-dee-dum, ta-ta-da-dee-dum.
By the way, yung gatong buhok, gatong hairstyle, gatong kulay ng buhok, man, bagay na bagay kay Justin, man. Litaw na litaw yung mukha niya. Come on, man. Pag ako kaya gumanon, gwapo pa rin kaya.
I just wanna be
Parang pag ako yung gumanon, parang manyak yung dating eh. Sa kanya, puta, gwapo pa rin eh. Pero,
ta-da-dee-dum. Ta-ta-da-dee-dum, ta-ta-da-dee-dum.
di ba? Sa kanya pang model eh.
I just wanna be with you in all the seasons we
Saan nila
imagine
sinunod to?
to actually exist. There
Ang
is
sabi niya doon?
imagine to actually exist.
Ay.
There is winter that's colder than ever, but our hearts warm just for us. And your hands can feel everything. You and I are imagining while we walk slowly under the trees, and we swing each other's hands in rhythm. And I can feel it like it's real,
Like it's real, wala.
so real. Ta-ta-da-dee-dum, ta-ta-da-dee-dum, ta-ta-da-dee-dum.
Come on, man. The visuals on this music video is fucking. I don't know how to explain this. Like, parang mix siya ng ano, no? Mix siya ng fantasy, and at the same time, it feels like you're on acid. No? but I like this type of like the style of the music video. You know, parang I don't know, parang ano siya, parang maraming like symbols and like unusual na katulad ng flower kanina, diba, may mata, and at the same time bagay siya sa kanta and sa title kasi it's surreal, diba? It feels like a dream, diba? Yun nga, parang siyang panaginip, diba? Parang, you know, man, come on. And, by the way, I assume isa rin si Justice sa mga nag-isip ng concept na ito and nag-direct kasi alam niyo naman, Justice fucking big brain, 10,000 IQ. Most probably siya gumawa, siya isa sa mga nag-conceptualize, no?
Ta-da-dee-dum,
See that?
ta-ta-da-dee-dum, ta-ta-da-dee-dum.
Oh shit.
We sat on the edge of a cliff.
May female vocals.
I can hear the wind blowing. Then you rest your head
Ganda naman dyan.
on my shoulder. so unreal. We walk slowly under the sunlight. We hold each other's hands, oh so tight. And I can feel it. Promise I will keep it in my heart. It's embedded, 'cause it's real, so real.
Come on, man. Come on. Let's go. Alright, well again, that's Justin Surreal, no? Music video. Man. Okay, so now I get it. Why ito yung umpisa bago yung kaibigan. Kasi dito, I mean, everything is just on Justin's imagination. Like yung relationship nila ng babae. So again, sa kaibigan na music video, mas pinakita lang yung pinaka-dynamics ng pagkakaibigan nila. Paano yung nangyayari, kung sino yung mga characters. Dito naman, parang ito yung POV ng imagination niya, yung mga sinasabi that this is yung mga scenery sa music video is parang yung feeling, di ba? Like everything na pinakita sa music video ito is parang very refreshing, very light, no? May kita mo sa mukha niya dito sa music video na sobrang happy siya. So that's what Justin's trying to portray in here, yung feeling ng imagination niya para sa tingin niya doon sa babae. Alam mo yun, yung pakiramdam. And again, all in his imagination, but it feels so real, no? Parang, yung, alam mo yung feeling na, I mean, I don't know kung makarelate kayo, yung feeling na may gusto ka sa tao, di ba? And at the same time, magkaibigan kayo. And every time na parang both of you like have this moment, you feel like it, you know, parang kayong dalawa, parang you feel like nararamdaman mo is totoo, no? Pero after that day, you're going to realize na, oh, man, come on, hindi pala, I mean, I'm just imagining this, no? Hindi talaga kami. Ano lang ako yung kaibigan, di ba? Ito na lang ako dito to. Oh man, God, this is ang ganda ng ganda ng pagkakagawa ng music video. I mean, that's 10 out of 10, man. Now, I feel sad. At the same time, happy, no? I'm sad na ngayon ko lang siya pinakinggan. And I'm also happy because ngayon ko lang siya napakinggan, di ba? Yung feeling ng unang best mo napakinggan yung magandang kanta. Yeah. 10 out of 10, man. I feel like mas trip ko to. Agad yung kanta ni Justin na Kaibigan. Kasi medyo heavy, no? Medyo heavy yung Kaibigan. Pero this song, I mean, yung katang to, yung Surreal, pwede siyang pwede siyang standalone song. Pwede siyang hindi kadugtong ng Kaibigan. For example, walang kanta sa Justin na Kaibigan. Pwede siyang standalone na kanta, no? Pwede mo siyang painggan and all of this. But yeah, it's 10 out of 10, man. Well, that's my reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto nyo mag-sabitin yung artist, man, sing a rapper song. Just comment down below. Get tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.